Okay. If you want to solve the system of non-homogeneous linear equations, we have to write down the given matrix into coefficient form of coefficient matrix into column matrix of unknowns equal to column matrix of constants. After that, we have to obtain augmented matrix. After getting this augmented matrix, we have to find whether the given system of equations has a solution or not having solutions. If the given system has a solution, is said to be consistent. If the given system of equations has no solution, that means inconsistent in nature. If the given system of equations are non-homogeneous linear equations is consistent, means that if the system has number of solutions or unique solution, trivial unique solution, or infinite number of solutions, infinite number of many solutions, and otherwise the system of equations has no solution based on the rank of a matrix, coefficient matrix, and the rank of a augmented matrix. That discussion is made by using augmented matrix. If after obtaining the augmented matrix of given system of linear equations, that is, the system of equations Ax equal to B is consistent if and only if the coefficient matrix A and the augmented matrix AB is also having the same rank. That means that rho of A equal to rho of AB. If this condition is satisfied by any coefficient matrix and augmented matrix, then only we have to solve the given system of equations. If this condition, rho of A is not equal to rho of AB, then the given system is said to be inconsistent and the system has no solution. This is the way to solve the given system of non-homogeneous linear equations. Next, here, if this rho of A equal to rho of AB, then we have two cases. There are two cases. If rank of A equal to rank of AB, that is equal to number of unknowns. Say, for example, x1, x2, x3, so on, xn are number of unknowns. If rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to number of unknowns, the given system has a trivial solution or the unique solution. If rank of AB equal to rank of A equal to rank of AB, which is less than the number of unknowns, then the given system has infinitely many number of solutions. Infinitely many number of solutions. Say, for example, rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to R. R is less than N. Then the N minus R number of solutions are there for the given system of linear equations. The given system of Nitin, the given system of linear equations. So in this case, N minus R solutions are there. That in this case, N minus R unknowns called parameters can be assigned arbitrary values. The remaining unknowns can be expressed as the terms of these numbers. If rank of A is not equal to rank of AB, then the system is said to be inconsistent and has no solution. Now we want to solve this by using one example. Here, problem 1, discuss the consistency of the system and if consistent, solve the given equations. Say, for example, x plus y plus z equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 40, 2x plus 4y plus 7z equal to 30. This is the given system of non-homogeneous linear equations in 3 unknowns. So the given system of non-homogeneous linear equations are x plus y plus z equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 40, 2x plus 4y plus 7z equal to 30. The given system of equations in matrix form is Ax equal to B. A is a coefficient matrix. all the coefficients of the given system of equations into column matrix of unknowns equal to column matrix of constants. That is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 7 into x, y, z column matrix equal to 6, 14, 30. Next, we want to obtain augmented matrix by attaching the last column as column matrix of constants. We get augmented matrix. The augmented matrix of given system is 1, 1, 1, 6, 1, 2, 3, 14, 2, 4, 7, 30. This is the given system of given augmented matrix. Now we want to reduce this given augmented matrix into echelon form by using row operations, row elementary operations. This is same as echelon form. Now we want to reduce this matrix into echelon form by using row elementary operations. For this, first of all, we want to reduce second row first element, third row first element as 0. For this, we want to perform in place of R2, R2 minus R1. In place of R3, R3 minus 2R1. That is, first row is same, 1, 1, 1, 6. Second row is 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 6, 14 minus 6, 8. And then 2 minus 2, 1, 2 into 1. That is 0. 4 minus 2 into 1. That is 2. 7 minus 2 into 1, that is 5. So 30 minus 2 into 6, that is 12. 30 minus 12, 30 minus 12, 18. 18. Next, we want to reduce second row, third row, second element as 0 by the way of echelon form. That is, in place of R3, R3 minus 2R2. In place of R3, R3 minus 2R2, that is, first two rows are same. 1, 1, 1, 6, 0, 1, 2, 8. Third row is, if you reduce this third row first, second element as 0, in place of R3, R3 minus 2R2. That is 0, 2 minus 2 into 1, 0, 5 minus 2 into 2, 1, 18 minus 2 into 8, that is 16. 18 minus 16 is 2. So here it is in the form of echelon form. All the non-zero entries, first non-zero entries are 1, and below the principal diagonal elements are zeros. So this is the final matrix, and this matrix is an echelon form. From this here, the first 3 rows and 3 columns represents the coefficient matrix. All the entries of this matrix represents augmented matrix. Here, how many non-zero rows are there? Mr. Nitin, how many non-zeros are there? Trinath, how many non-zero rows are there? Only 3 non-zero rows. The above matrix is in echelon form, and rank of A equal to rank of AB, that is equal to 3, the number of unknowns. Hence, the system is consistent and has unique solution. Say, for example, if you want to write this matrix, this into matrix form, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1 into x, y, z equal to 6, 8, 2. So from that, x plus y plus z equal to 6, y plus 2z equal to 8, and z equal to 2. If z equal to 2 from equation 2, y plus 2 into 2, that is 4 equal to 8, y equal to 4. If z equal to 2, y equal to 4, then from equation 1, x plus 4 plus 2 equal to 6, then x equal to 0. Hence, the given system has a solution, x equal to 0, y equal to 4, z equal to 2. This is the given solution of given system, and this is only a unique solution because the rank of a given matrix is same as rank of augmented matrix. That's why the given system has unique solution. Now we want to check whether this solution is satisfied the given equations or not. Suppose x equal to 0, y equal to 4, z equal to 2. X equal to 0, y equal to 4, z equal to 2. 0 plus 4 plus 2, 6. 0 plus 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. Plus 0 plus 16 plus 7 into 2. 16 plus 7 into 2, 14. 16 plus 14 is 30. So the given system is also satisfied the getting solution. Hence, the given system has a unique solution and it is a consistent. This is the way to solve the problems in non-homogeneous linear equations. Harsha or Vinila, you have class at 9:45 or
9:45, sir.
45, sir.
Okay, can you leave?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issue.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Harsha,
Sir.
send attendance immediately, please.
Okay, okay, sir.